Hey guys, editing Shenrel here. I literally just finished the video. I went to look at the footage and I noticed that in this video, I'm really having trouble deciding where I should be looking. And I feel like I improve a little bit as the video goes on, but I am sorry about that. I will work on it. Okay, now to the video. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again today. I don't usually post on the weekend, but after being gone, I have some things to catch up on, one of which would be my Allure unboxing. So this is the last Allure box at its current price. Starting in October, they're raising the prices and changing it a little bit. So I'll talk about that at the end, but for now, let's just get right into my Allure box. I'm feeling a little weird filming right now because usually I am filming on my camera to where I can see like the viewfinder, and I decided to flip it around to see if I can improve like the quality a little bit with the camera on the back of the phone. So now I can't see myself. I hope there's no food in my teeth, but moving on. Okay, so the contents of the Allure Beauty Box, up until this month, it was $15 a month. They promise at least 5 products with valued at least $70 per box. So this is at that value. So first thing I see is this product from Waterless. Now I can't see the viewfinder, so I don't know if I should hold it over here or what. I'm gonna just try holding it here and I guess I'll see it editing how it goes. But this is actually a dry conditioner. I didn't know such things existed. This I'm looking forward to using for my daughter actually. See how it smells. She has curly hair, so something like this she might appreciate. Maybe I should shake it up like a dry shampoo. I don't know. Oh, it smells nice. Like it's not too heavy or anything. Yeah, I'll definitely be interested in trying this out for her on not wash days. That'll be fun to try for her. Okay, there's actually a brush in here from e.l.f. I love e.l.f. brushes. I feel like they're actually really high quality, and of course they're very affordable for the price. This is the highlighting brush. Did I open it on like the wrong end? If I could open it. Okay, that would be great. So I do not highlight very often, but I feel like this actually would be a nice, maybe a powder brush for under the eyes. Ooh, that's nice. And of course, it has nice soft bristles, and I think for the price, you cannot beat the quality, and I actually really enjoy e.l.f. brushes. I kind of want to get a few more. So this is great to get in the Allure box. Let's see, next. Ooh, I see something that instantly makes me very happy. So this is a sample size, or I don't know, maybe deluxe sample, I'm not positive, of the Lms Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is an expensive cleansing balm, therefore it's not something I ever thought about getting for myself, but oh, and it smells very essential oily. Like I'm not sure which one, but I know that scent. I'll have to look at the ingredients list to figure out what it is, but I love cleansing balms. I'm looking forward to trying out a different one. Very exciting. All right, next we have a little itty bitty sample of a La Roche-Posay Enthelios. This is one of their mineral sunscreens. This is the light fluid sunscreen. I know I do like La Roche-Posay sunscreens, but I haven't tried this one before. We'll see how much of a white cast it has. I'll try it on the back of my hand. Since it is a little mineral sunscreen, I'm interested in seeing. I ran out of my main sunscreen, and right now I'm using up all these little samples that I have like this, most of which I don't like. I've decided I really don't. So it's more of a watery consistency, and when I rub it in, oh, that's beautiful. It went right in. For a mineral sunscreen, that is glorious. Okay, I'm probably gonna use this up. I do have a new sunscreen ordered, but this is definitely something I'll be using. Very nice. Okay. Ooh, we have 2 makeup items. Usually Allure has a lot of skincare, but I see 2 makeup items. So this is from Cleo Noir, and this is their Twist Up Eyeliner. There we go. Okay, so twist up. Ooh, it is a super, look at that nice tip. I don't know if it's gonna focus on that, whatever. It looks like a dark purple. Drawing on my hand, it actually is a lot lighter than I would imagine for how it looks in the little twist up pencil thingy. That would be fun to play with. Very different for Allure to include a purple eyeliner in their box, and I'm very happy about that. That is something that I am surprised and thrilled to get from them. So that is great. And then I see one more makeup item. This is from Wander Beauty. This is a full-size mascara. That's awesome. This is their Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I've heard a lot of things about the Wander Beauty mascara, and I don't think it's this one. I think the one I've heard a lot of reviews for would be is it the Mile High mascara? Possibly, but still I've heard really good things about their mascaras, and I know that this is a high-end mascara, so that's really cool to get a full-size one. This will just go in my mascara backlog. I have several unopened ones, and I don't really want to open it for you. I feel like once you do that, you need to use it before it dries up. So as not to waste the mascaras, I don't open them until I'm ready to use them. So this is going in the backlog, but that is still really cool to get a full-size mascara. And last but not least, there is a sheet mask. This is from Glam Up. This is the Soothing Aloe Texture Refinement Sheet Mask. Ooh, very nice. I will definitely try that out. I'm always loving products that can, you know, help with the texture situation. But let's look at maybe some of the prices for these items. So here it comes with a little Allure magazine. So first of all, it talks about the mascara. Yeah, full size, which is what this is. This is $24. That is a really nice item to include, and that already pays for the cost of this box, which was $15. The little La Roche-Posay. If you were to buy it full size, it would be $33.50. Not surprising, they are a really nice brand, and if I like this, I might pull the trigger on it again. I don't know. I'm sort of going over the dark side of being willing to pay for more expensive sunscreens. I feel like they really do make a difference in my skin, but we'll see. All right, the little Lms Cleansing Balm. Yeah, holy moly. So the full size of this is $64. That is really, really pricey for essentially a face wash. I mean, I love me a good cleansing balm, and I know I'm going to love this, but I just know I would never ever pay full price for the full size. So I'm thrilled to get I think a rather decent size. I've gotten cleansing balm samples before that were like the tiniest container. I think this is a really good size, so that makes me happy. Let's see, the e.l.f. highlighting brush is, of course, very affordable at $4. The Clio Noir Twist Up Eyeliner in purple is $18. And I don't know if this is a full size or not, actually. It kind of looks like a full size eyeliner, right? I guess I'm not positive. The Aloe Sheet Mask, you can buy 10 of them in a pack for $14.20. And it looks like the waterless dry conditioner spray treatment is an extra that they just added on, so they don't really have a price for how much this is. I really enjoyed this Allure box. It has a lot of things in it that I'm interested to try, and that's the reason why I have enjoyed Allure over the past few months. I've honestly only started getting Allure, when was it, springtime? And I feel like I kind of missed out. I wish I had subscribed, you know, years past, because the value on these boxes is really, really good. However, let's talk about that. Because right now, you know, this box was $15, but starting next month, they have raised the price to, I think, $23. Let me quick get my little web page up to get all the information for you. Yeah, so it's going up to $23 a month, which is an over 50% increase, which I get that, you know, things eventually rise in price. Like, you know, Ipsy went from $10 to $12, you know, I get that sub boxes have to do that, but from $15 to $23, that's a pretty big price jump. So here's the changes in addition to the prices that they are making. This box, you know, you're supposed to get 5 or more products valued at $70 plus, with at least 2 full-size products. Now they're saying it's going to include 6 or more products in every box. It should be valued at over $100, and they are going to give you at least 3 full-size products in every box. That is nice. However, if you're familiar with beauty subscription boxes, you might have heard of boxes like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and BoxyCharm. Those are both $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. And in the case of Ipsy, you get a lot of personalization. Like, they've even really upped it lately, where you can choose 3 of the products that are in your box. So it's only $2 off in price from those 2 boxes. And I really have some reservations that they can live up to their competition, that they can at that price point. I really don't think it was a smart idea for them. We will, of course, see how their boxes look for the next few months and see how they do. Honestly, I saw some spoilers for next month. I am subscribed through Amazon, so I have the choice to be able to just go in my subscriptions and skip a month. I decided to skip October's box. For $15 a month, I think it would be worth it. I don't think $23, however, just because I've had Glam Bag Plus before I had my YouTube channel. It's a really nice subscription for only $2 more, so I didn't think the box for next month is worth it, but I am going to definitely check the spoilers every month. That if you search the internet, they're out there. You can find spoilers for the Allure box, and I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. If I feel like it's worth it, if there's something in there that I think is really worth the deal, I will get the box, but not next month, so. Oh, I forgot to mention that if you're actually subscribed through Allure, they do have a couple extra bonuses for you. It says that there will be exclusive, limited time, members only discounts on our editors' favorite luxury products. So I'm thinking of both, I think all of the major boxes do this, you know, Ipsy, BoxyCharm, they have, oh, and FabFitFun too, they have like extra sales in between boxes that are severely discounted on specific items. It sounds like Allure might be starting something like that. You know, I haven't seen, so I don't know. And they also have limited edition boxes where if you're a member, you'll get a discount on those. So once again, it's up to you guys, you know, each individual person to decide if that's worth it for you. And even looking at the spoilers that I saw for next month, they do have some nice items in there. It's just not worth it for me. So, you know, the worth it factor is different for each person depending on what you want from a subscription box. But I am really sad. I am mourning the loss of the $15 Allure box. I really always thought it was such a great deal. But anyway, thank you guys so very much for hanging out with me today as I feel like I talked so fast. I don't know why I'm talking so fast in this video, but thank you so much for hanging out with me as I unbox Allure today. I hope you're having a glorious fall, and I will see you soon. On Monday, I should have my update for my 1 week 1 palette out, and I still haven't received my Ipsy bag. I don't know if I'll get it before the end of the month. If I do, I'll try and squeak it in a video before the month ends. All right, see you guys next time. Bye!